Today we will be graphing the parent function of y equal cosine theta or y equal cosine x. Again, I'm going to use the unit circle, and remember cosine this time is the x value from the unit circle. So you can see that I have my degrees and radians. So 0 is 1, 90 or 1/2 radian is 0, 180 is -1, 270 is back to 0, and at 360 it is 1. So you notice here my wave starts the opposite way of what my sine function was going. And again, even though it makes this shape picture, it continues on like a wave shape because this is a sine wave. Now let's go ahead and let's talk about the characteristics of this parent function. So the amplitude is 1. So the absolute value of 1 is 1. And you can see the distance of 1 from 0 to 1 and -1 to 0. We're going to take a look at the period. The period is 1, so 2 pi divided by 1 is 2 pi. And that's how I created the x value of my domain. Next, phase shift. I don't have any phase shift because there would be a plus or minus to that theta. And I don't have a vertical shift. So domain, I'm going to take a look at my x values, and I would have done the negative side, but I just wanted to show you what one period would look like. So it's just going to be negative pi to positive. The range, well, the lowest y value is -1, and it equals, and the highest y value is +1. Now let's take a look at the midline. So midline is what divides the cosine wave in half. So we usually say it's y equals k because of the way it shifts up and down. So because it's a line, we have to write y equals 0. Don't just say 0. And that's it.